What is special about November 14th? Is Children's Day. Yes, correct. Daddy, what is special about Children's Day?
That's Pandit Jawaharlal Nehruji's birthday. He was the first Prime Minister of India and he likes children a lot. That's why.
What is important on April 16th?
Papa don't know what is important on April 16th. Honey? Honey, where are you?
Array, why are you shouting? If you shout like this, you'll have difficulty while speaking. Take coffee. What happened?
Do you know what is important on April 16th?
April 16th? I don't know. Give me some time. Ma, do you...
Hold on, Navya, don't strain your voice so much. When you're going high, is it straining your voice? We can lower the pitch also. If you keep straining your voice like this, you'll get voice problems. And tell me, Chaya.
Ma, do you know what is important on April 16th?
I remember your dad's birthday, which is on March 16th, but I don't know anything special on April 16th, Betty.
Hey bro,
What?
any idea what is on April 16th?
April 16? April 16. Yeah, I think that's Charlie Chaplin birthday. Yeah, I remember that.
Is it? Okay. But I need an answer which is more important than that. Okay then. Thank you. Bye.
Hello?
Hello dear, what's up?
Hey, I want to know one thing, baby. Actually, do you know what is important on April 16?
What? April 16th? Why are you asking suddenly?
My sister asked me this question. I told one thing, but she want other answer.
I don't know, da.
Hey girl, I know to whom you are speaking. Stop whispering like this, otherwise you will get voice problem.
Okay, Gigi. Rashmi?
Hi Chaya.
Actually, मेरे बेटे asked a question, but I don't know the answer for it. So I came to ask you if you would know.
What's that? I will help you.
Okay. Do you know what is importance on April 16th?
April 16. Mama, drink some water. You're taking class since 2 hours without a break. Give some rest to your voice.
Thank you, dear. Oh, hello, Chaya.
Mama, do you know what's important on April 16th?
I don't know, dear. Why? What happened?
Chaya asked me this. Sorry, Chaya, we don't know what's important on April 16th.
Okay, Rashmi. Bye. Bye, Auntie.
Hello, Vasu. Come inside. Please take a seat.
Oh, hi, Vasu.
Hi Chaya, how are you?
I'm fine, Vasu. How are you?
I'm good, Chaya.
Honey, can you get coffee for Vasu?
Just 1 minute.
Can I get one more cup of coffee?
Just now you had coffee, right?
Napoleon, don't drink too much of coffee.
Why, Vasu? What's wrong in that?
Excess intake of coffee is bad for your throat.
Yeah.
Hello, doctor. How are you?
Hey, come. Hi, cuties. I'm good. How are you? I'm not a doctor, dear. I'm a speech language pathologist.
Please take it.
Amma, did you find the answer for the question?
No, dear.
What is that, Chaya?
Vasu, actually, they asked me what is important on April 16th. Kiruba said it's Charlie Chaplin's birthday.
Charlie Chaplin's birthday. Yeah, that's correct. But there is one more special thing on that day.
What's that, Vasu?
April 16th is World Voice Day.
Since when people are celebrating this, Vasu? And what is the motto behind that?
Yes, Napoleon. It was first started in Brazil in the year 1999. Later, it was followed by many other countries and celebrated it as International Voice Day. In the year 2002, American Academy of Otolaryngology and Head and Neck Surgery first officially announced this day as a World Voice Day. The main motto of this World Voice Day celebration is to increase the public awareness about the importance of voice and voice problems.
Oh, it's nice. Well and good. So, how to take care of our voice, Vasu?
Okay, Napoleon, let me explain you the vocal hygiene tips. As I told you before, limit the intake of caffeinated drinks. Instead of that, you can take plenty of water, at least 6 to 8 glasses per day. That keeps your throat hydrated. And Napoleon, you should avoid taking more spicy food because it causes burning sensation in your throat. And people who are with gastroesophageal reflux disorder should be very careful about this. They should consult a recommended physician and take a proper medication for it. Have you seen school teachers, Chaya? They used to strain their voice a lot while teaching. In that case, they can use a microphone to reach the children, or else they can take a break in between each classes. Napoleon. Also, you might have seen many singers and mimicry artists uses extremes of their vocal range to modulate their voice. All these are considered as vocal abuse and vocal misuse. We should never do that. And one more thing, when we talk continuously, sometimes we do throat clearing like this. It may feel good, but it's not. People might think it gives a better voice, but it is very abusive for your throat. And Chaya, remember that yelling, shouting, screaming, and even whispering is very abusive to your throat. You know, Chaya, it causes damage to your vocal cords. And other tips like we should have a adequate sleep, and also we should not sleep right after the food. At least 2 hours of gap should be there in between your meal and the bedtime. Practice good breathing techniques which provides adequate breath support for your speech, fluency, and gives less strain to your voice. And the last very important thing is voice rest. Like how when we work continuously, our body is getting tired. Like that, when we speak continuously, our vocal cords will also get tired. So, at least some amount of voice rest should be given to our vocal folds. All these are few tips to use your voice in a healthy way. If any person or professional having any difficulty with their voice, even after following all these vocal hygiene tips, they can consult a ENT physician and a speech language pathologist to get a better treatment plan. To get a better assessment and management for your voice problem, do visit All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysore, which is a world-renowned institute for the clinical services and research, who provide treatment for persons with any communication disorders. I'm sure now you people would have understood about the importance of Voice Day.